Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 9, our helpers. So in this chapter we will study about our helpers, the people who help us like teacher, doctor, postman, policeman. What we call them? These are our helpers. So you have to write the 5 sentences about your class. It's your homework. What you will do, you will write the 5 sentences about your class teacher over here. Now, we have society. It is like our family. There are many helpers who help us to lead a good and comfortable life. The most important role of these are teacher, teaches us, postman, delivers letter, policeman, guards you, doctor, treats you, and nurse. What they do? They help you when you are sick. So first of all, teacher. Education is the most important for human being. We go to school to study. In school, our teachers teaches us to read and write. भाई हमें लिखना सिखाते हैं, पढ़ना सिखाते हैं, and he teaches us how to live in a society. So we make us understand things, and what they do, they makes us understand things, trains us to become a good citizen, teaches us to be friendly and not to quarrel. He helps to develop good and healthy habits. He tells us about the good habits and good manners. Loves us very much. Teaches us to respect कि आपको अपने elders की respect करनी चाहिए, उनको love करना चाहिए, those who are younger than you, and he teaches us to become a good citizen of our country. Right? Now, doctor. A doctor has a very important job to do. He keeps us healthy and examines us when we are sick. And what he gives us? Medicines. A doctor advises us how to keep good health. We must get ourselves vaccinated whenever the doctor asks to. A doctor is like a mother to the people of the society. He takes care of his parents and like fathers take care of his child. Whenever we fall sick, जब भी हम बीमार होते हैं, तो what? We go to doctor and we can find a doctor in a hospital, dispensaries or private clinic. A doctor treats us and gives us medicines after checkup. We can find hospitals and dispensaries in the cities and villages. There are mobile dispensaries for villages and there are not many medical facilities. Doctors visit people of such villages regularly, and what they do, they educate them how to keep good health. They also examine and give medicines to those who are sick and free of charge. Next is postman. His work is to deliver letters to us. आपने देखा होगा postman letters लेके आते हैं. He collects them from local post office and distribute them to respective house. जहाँ जहाँ देना होता है उसको वहाँ पहुँचाते हैं. Apart from this, he brings money order parcels. We can find many postmen in the cities. Each is in charge of particular city or what's locality. In big villages, there is one postman. If there are small villages, that one postman carries post to more than one village. Whether the climate is hot, cold or rainy, postman always does his duty promptly. His service is very important for us, except on holiday. He is always on duty. If the post is urgent, the postman delivers it even on holiday. अगर urgent है तो वो holidays में भी जाते हैं. Policeman is another important, very important for us. He protects us from bad people. He maintains law and order in the area. He arrests criminals and keeps them locked in a police station. And if there is any robbery, we can give a written complaint in the police station. और किसी भी तरह की कोई robbery हुई है तो आप written applications दे सकते हैं. In big cities, the policemen also control the traffic on the roads. What he do? He catches people who breaks the traffic rule. Because of this, he avoids accident on the road. So you can imagine how life would be without these people. अगर ये लोग नहीं होंगे, it will be very difficult to us to get all these things delivered. Right? So our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.